Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys a DIY hair rinse that can help with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So for this DIY, it's really simple. You're just going to need two ingredients, one of those being butterfly pea flowers and the second ingredient being water. So right here I have 1 cup of butterfly pea flowers. You don't really need a whole cup. You could probably use about half a cup, and you probably could get away with a 1/4 cup. A little bit goes a long way. The benefits of butterfly pea flower, also known as blue pea flower, is excellent for the hair because it contains anthocyanin, a compound known to increase blood circulation in the head and therefore maintaining a healthy scalp. It also helps in strengthening the hair follicles from within. So I'm just going to place the flowers into a bowl, and then I'm going to take 2 cups of hot water and I'm going to pour that into the bowl. As I pour in the hot water, you can see that the color of the water is starting to turn blue. The blue color is a strong indication that this plant is packed with one of the powerful antioxidants good for collagen restoration. So now I'm just going to make sure that all the flowers are submerged into the water, and I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. Also, you can let it sit until the water is completely cool. Other benefits of butterfly pea flowers is that it helps to promote hair growth, prevents graying of hair, a natural solution to hair loss. It also helps repair hair follicles. It stimulates the production of collagen, maintains scalp health, also contains anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to improve blood circulation. So after about 15 minutes, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to strain it and then place the rinse into a spray bottle for easier application. Now, when it comes to storage, you want to place it into the refrigerator when not in use, and it should last about 2 to 4 weeks. And if you want it to last longer, you can place it into the freezer and it should last about 3 to 6 months. Also, when it comes to this hair rinse, it's also a tea as well. So if you want to, you can drink this as well. You could drink this daily, and it also will provide the same benefits as using it as a tea rinse, or you can do both. You can use that as a tea rinse, and you could also drink it as a tea. So when using this as a hair rinse, you want to apply this all over your hair and scalp after you shampooed your hair, because you want to make sure that your scalp is clean. Once you've sprayed it all over your hair and scalp, you're just going to leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes, and then you're going to rinse it out, and then you're going to follow up with your favorite deep conditioner. So you can do this method whenever it's your wash day. So whether you wash your hair once a week or every 2 weeks, so it'll just be up to you. So that's how often you should use the rinse, whenever it's your wash day. Also, you can use this spray as a leave-in. If you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. All you have to do is just apply it on your scalp and also all over your hair from root to ends, and then make sure you follow up with your favorite hair oil or hair butter or cream, so that way you can seal in the moisture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.